What if the most important things in your suitcase isn't inside it? Hi, I'm Alexis Honestas, the book strategist. Welcome to Book Strategist Daily. Every day, I share one lesson from building Omax Books. 6 months from New York. Let's build. Tonight, I'm packing my suitcase. By the time you heard this, I will probably be somewhere between Paris and New York. Packing is funny. You spend a few minutes choosing what you wear, but that's never what you're really bringing with you. As I was getting ready tonight, I realized I'm carrying something much heavier than clothes. I'm carrying experience, the books I publish, the conversation I've had, the mixtape I've made, the relationships I've built over the years. None of that takes up any space in my luggage, but it's exactly why I'm getting on the plane. People often think a trip changes your life. Sometimes that's true. But more often, a trip simply reveals the work you've already done. The meeting goes well because you prepared. The opportunities appeared because your stay is consistent. The introduction happens because someone remember your work. Travel doesn't replace work. It's reroute it. That's how I see New York. Every time I go back, I'm not starting over. I'm arriving with more knowledge, more experience, more confidence, and hopefully more value to bring to the people I meet. That's why I'm excited. Not because I'm flying to another city, but because I get to see what years of preparation can create next. So, here's my question for you. If you have to leave tomorrow, what will you bringing with you beside your suitcase? Let's discuss. You can find me on X, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Instagram, Alexis Honestas. I'm not documenting success, I'm documenting the process. You're listening to Book Strategist Daily from New York. I will see you tomorrow.